Hello guys, this is my setup here. You guys can see this is my Hover-1 and that's my action camera, the DJI Osmo Action. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy to the test and see what's all about, man. It's gonna be an interesting one. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this up and ready to go. And that's my setup here. Gotta have your action. Here you go. It's crazy, but it's fun. And I'm gonna go ahead and see what else this guy can do. Here. And then I'm going to go. I mean, they got some speed to it. Yeah, so that's the max I can go now is 11 miles an hour. And I think I'm in cruise control right now. See that? I'm not even touching anything. It's really hard to do this here with the hold on for a second. Yeah. So it's really hard to control it just using one hand. But I'm able to manage it just using the one hand on this side here. This is crazy, man. I'm in this Hover-1 just cruising, and you can see how fast I'm going with this guy here. I mean, it's not like extremely fast coming in the first mode, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go ahead and go to fast mode. So interestingly, got it on. I'm still going 10 miles an hour. Woo. It's crazy how this electric scooter can do now. Yeah, it's different. And that's why I like that action right there. Here you go. I'm just riding. My experience riding this thing, man, it's really comfortable. It's had that smooth ride to it. Anyway guys, we're gonna go ahead and show you how the first mode on the high speed is actually can only go 12 miles an hour. Even though you're going downhill, it has that safety mechanism that will kick in, that will help you like stay on that level, and that's a good thing for safety precaution. And you can see here, that's the max that I can go because I'm in the first mode, and that will let you just stay. Now you guys are gonna see the second mode, what it can do. And even though I'm in the turn here, I mean, this thing is really smooth. And you can see the max speed. It's actually around 16. There's a mechanism in it, so it will not let you allow going more than 17 or 18 miles an hour because of safety. But they can handle it, man. Look, 16 miles an hour. It's pretty good. I mean, pretty fast. Even me not wearing a helmet, I'm like said to myself, man, I better wear a helmet. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.